Okay, we have a Chevy Tahoe 1999. So what happened here? We have a code P13 I think P131 something. One second. Yeah, 1345. Okay, we have that code for a while ago, and so what we did, so we checked the timing. So the timing first, we have to make sure that the where is it crankshaft pulley on. Okay, we have to make sure that the crankshaft pulley is aligned there. Okay, and we have to make sure that the rotor exactly in number 8. So if you have these two this like if it's line up, so the timing is good, so you have to move over. Okay, so what happened, we did is we changed the crankshaft position sensor is under the crankshaft pulley, and after that, what we did is uh, check the crankshaft, the camshaft position sensor. So what happened is, you see here the camshaft position sensor, and we change it, and it doesn't. Uh, when we see like the resistance here is good, so the sensor was good. But the problem, we have intermittent problem. What happened is, it has those aftermarket sensors. So when it sits here on the distributor right here, and we tighten them right here, if the distributor is not made for that sensor, it's not good. So what happened is, the camshaft cracks, and we see here, we're gonna see like they have like a little crack, is exactly where yeah, you can see it right here. You see it's more in the side.